Hey guys, what's going on? We're gonna do a cold start on the old 7.3 real quick. It's been about 2 days since it started up, and we've got at least 2 bad glow plugs. It's about 37 degrees out, so 37 degrees and a couple bad glow plugs. Let's see what happens here. Oh, she's staying on a while. Alright, here we go. Well, it started up a lot better than I thought it was going to start up. I still got a couple of the glow plugs I need to put in, but we'll do that hopefully next weekend, something like that. But that's southern cold start, I guess. Hopefully we'll be able to make some more pretty soon. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Comment, like, subscribe. Let me know down in the comments below what kind of trucks you guys are driving and how cold it's getting where you live at. If you've had any problems starting your vehicles up or not. Down here in the south, we don't really have that problem. Some of my earlier videos back up north, we had that 6.2 and 6.5 Tahoe. If you haven't seen that video, go check that out. We had some real cold starts there. It was about minus 15, minus 20 degrees if I remember right, Fahrenheit. And those things were a real pain to get started sometimes in the morning. So if you haven't seen those videos, go check those out. And anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye.